Hello guys, welcome to a new video at World Truck Part Ltd, your trusted source for high-quality aftermarket American truck parts. Today we're showcasing one of our latest products that will transform the look and functionality of your 2018 Plus Freightliner Cascadia, the Projector LED Headlights with DRL Halo in sleek black. With these headlights, your Freightliner Cascadia will not only look more aggressive and stylish but also perform better in low light conditions. Whether you're cruising down highways or navigating city streets, you'll have unmatched clarity and confidence. At World Truck Part Ltd, we're committed to providing you with top-notch parts that enhance both the appearance and performance of your truck.